Hey there, super friends. I'm Beep Boop, and today we're learning the safety superpowers.
Power number 1, the personal bubble. Arms out wide, beep. That's your safe space.
But what if someone gets too close?
Put your hand up high and say stop. Then wiggle free and run. Go straight to a safe grown-up. Bubble, stop, wiggle and tell. You've mastered chapter 1. Ready for chapter 2, super team? Let's go. Chapter 2, the look and listen superpower. Beep. Time to cross the street safely. Look at that. You've earned your golden safety shield. You are officially a safety superhero. Tap subscribe to join the team for our next adventure. Police officers, firefighters, and teachers. They are always on our team to keep us safe. Chapter 5, Finding the Safe Grown-ups. Who can help us when we are lost? Practice making the numbers. Memorize it like a secret spy code. You're doing amazing! Chapter 4, The Magic Number Power. Do you know your trusted grown-up's phone number? Can I have this balloon, Mum? Great job checking first. That's real superhero power, even if they seem super nice. Warning, always ask your trusted grown-up first. Chapter 3, The Ask First Superpower. What if someone offers you a yummy treat or a cool toy? And always hold a safe grown-up's hand. Look at you go. Red light says stop, green light says go. But first, we look left, right, and left again.